What's up, guys? It's Jason McLaughlin here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make money online, the no BS model. There's a lot of guys out there talking a load of BS when it comes to make money online, and I'm here to reveal the truth. So without further ado, let's get into it. Easiest way to make money online is usually by offering a service, right? When we go out offering something of value to business owners would namely be a service. The easiest services to usually offer are things like copywriting, right? Creative, be it Photoshop, video editing, aspects like that, namely digital services, things that are easy to deliver to people online, right? So where people get tied up the most here is how to find clients, right? And if you go check out my other videos, I do cover a few things on how to find clients. Just quickly, one of the easier ways to actually find clients is on Facebook, right? So you would go into, let's say you'd go to your profile, you would optimize your cover photo, and then you would go to Facebook groups. You would, so let's say I'm targeting handyman. This is just an example. I go into Facebook groups here, handyman looking for work, Las Vegas handyman, home renovations. So say like I'm trying to offer these guys my digital marketing services, which is SEO or Google Ads. I would get joined into this group and start interacting and talking with them and posting value. Ideally, once you get more advanced, you would want to have some sort of free resource you give away that attracts them and get them into an email automation. But purposes of this video, we're keeping it basic. So that's the first way on how I would make money online. I would start an agency or offer a type of service. And this is the biggest problem you're going to come into with regards to fulfillment. You can always outsource or find a white label agency service providers. All right, then the next one, after I've got some money or I've got some income coming in, I would start looking at things like digital assets, right? Affiliate websites, YouTube channels, perhaps even teaching a course. You want to design, people call it, let's say, an info product or promote someone else's info product, right? So how would you do that? Okay, cool. You could go ahead and start a YouTube channel on what you're talking about. But the easiest one you're probably going to do is affiliates. So you would go to YouTube and you would go about starting a YouTube channel and trying to rank for particular products. So let's say I am using, I'm selling rank and rent. Let's say rank and rent. I have an info product on rank and rent and I want to do a course. So you would go about creating a video and trying to rank it in the top over here. As you can see, I'm not ranking for it anymore. Once you have money coming in from your agency or doing services such as copywriting, digital, something like easy to do, right? I would go about looking at establishing a digital asset. So what is a digital asset? Well, my definition of a digital asset is anything that cash flows, right? So a YouTube channel cash flows, affiliate, if you don't know what affiliate is basically, if I grab one of my affiliates here, affiliate is basically when a software or program or something you promote pays you for people you get to sign up. So as you can see here, I've started promoting this tool called Jasper over here, and I have $596 and 7 customers from that. And yeah, I basically go about, this is an AI tool. I go about promoting it and it's a really good tool. And they give me 30% a month reoccurring commission, right? And I promote this through my YouTube channel. That's one of the ways I promote, or my email list, aspects like that. So you can actually see how these digital assets encompass each other. So what I would recommend here would be to go and create a list of affiliates. So list out affiliates within your niche. One easy way to do that is, let's say you could go to ClickBank is one of them, and you will be able to get a whole list of affiliates, people that are willing to pay you to promote your products, right? And I'd highly recommend doing this. It's probably the most passive form of income you can get online. Another way to do it is, let's say you could also go to course creators. Let's say you could find someone that's doing a course and get an affiliate from them and promote them or have them on your YouTube channel to talk about it. So these are the two biggest ways I'd say you could go about making money online. Another one is, obviously, as I've mentioned before, is to create a digital product. Now, this is extremely lucrative, creating a digital product, but it's a bit more advanced. It requires you to obviously set up landing pages, set up a back end, and email list obviously helps. But you want to go about creating something that would serve other people, right? So what would serve other people? A lot of people think they don't have a lot to offer. So for instance, let's say you would start off where you're knowledgeable. So I know a lot about how to train a dog, right? How to train a dog to do something. You've got to remember that there are people, so there's obviously two sides of the spectrum here. There's someone who has never trained a dog before, and there is attack dog veteran trainers, right? And when you're putting together a course, you actually don't need to know necessarily a lot, depending who you targeted. So let's say you have a course. This is a silly example, but someone that's never trained a dog before would be interested in something like how to teach a dog to sit. I mean, that's something someone would be willing to buy. Or if we were to compare this to make money online, how do you make your first dollar online and something like that? And this could sell for, let's say, like a low ticket item, like $12. So sell this, I'll teach you how to train your dog for $12, right? Whereas you wouldn't be targeting someone who's an attack dog veteran with this course. So guys, this is basically how I'd go about it. I would go about starting off with a service and then bankrolling that into, let's say, digital asset and YouTube channels and stuff like that, listing out all affiliates, and then going about promoting the affiliates through video, blog contents and stuff like that. And then I would go about creating a digital product eventually in the end. There are multiple ways to make money online. This is how I've been making money online for about the past year. I'm using these exact tactics actually. And yeah, just thought I'd help everyone out. I know everyone is wanting to know how to make money online. There's a lot of broke people out there, and I don't want it to be any of you guys that watch my channel. Check the description down below. I might have some links and training, some softwares that can help you out with this. We definitely have some softwares that will help you find more clients quicker. Got some free trials with the Lead Gen Nation. But yeah, that's it. Much love, guys. Bye.